Now what?
Now we begin. Amend of Laben Troshana Bante. Amend of Laben Troshana Bante. Arise, Maul, reborn son of Dathomir.
Brother?
Brother. My legs.
They have been restored by Mother Talzin.
It has been so long and my path has been so dark. Darker than I ever dreamed it could be.
And yet you survived.
Of course I've survived. My hatred kept my spirit intact even though my body was not. Yet I was lost and became a rabid animal. And such is how you found me, brother. Discarded, forgotten. I have missed so much. The Force feels out of balance.
Yes, there is conflict. The Clone Wars.
Ah, yes. So it began without me.
You can begin again, brother.
I was apprenticed to the most powerful being in the galaxy once. I was destined to become so much more. But I was robbed of that destiny by the Jedi, by Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Then you must have your revenge, my brother.
Yes, we shall start with revenge.